God. All right, we said and we're just gonna do Schnebly Hill Road on the way to Sedona because traffic is heavy because of construction, and this says it's faster, so we're gonna wing it and hopefully everything's all good. Never done Schnebly Hill Road before.
It's dream right now.
So,
we're camping and then we're off-roading home.
Yeah, dude. I mean, it's an easy trail, but we're gonna try to make up time so we can get back to the valley in a reasonable time. So. First time doing Schnebly Hill Road and Caitlin's driving. Not fair. Whoa, dude, look at that. Jeez. No, it does not.
Dude, you see her face.
That's crazy. No, No, look at this shit. Back the truck under this, huh? Some pictures. Huh? Damn, look at that. That's Sedona. This is nuts. I think this is way better than sitting in Flagstaff traffic. Look at that. Damn. Is it worth it, babe?
Yeah, this was worth it.
It's worth it? It's totally worth it. Crazy. Fuck. Oh my God. Oh shit. Fuck. Well, if you saw that guy almost reversed off fucking Schnebly Hill Road, and I think I'm gonna go try to help him get out. We'll see how this is.
All right, let's go save this guy. Where are we going, Ben? Where's your daddy going? Finley's gonna go save him. What do you think, Ben? Finley, what do you think of this? Let's see if the Colorado can do it. Yeah. Got it. That was crazy. Finley, get over here. Very concerned. That was crazy. Look at that.
I'm glad there wasn't a Dodge down here.
Fuck, dude.
Oh, did it.
Y'all
So
honestly gotta be shitting my pants over here, but we did it.
well, I was thinking, you know, a lot of the weight was on the
Yeah.
front right there.
Yeah, we're sitting on the frame,
Yeah.
so thankfully it was on the frame.
Oh, God. I think I'm going to go sit in traffic. Thank God that there's a freeway out there.
Hey, just remember, Chevy saved you.
Thank you, bro.
Remember,
What are you gonna say about that?
we did it.
That was crazy.
That was a pretty crazy recovery right there.
Mm-hmm.
All my videos, that's all I need right here.
You might be in it, so.
Subscribe to all my YouTube videos. This guy was not joking over here. This shit is bumpy as fuck.
Yeah, so he basically told us that he's trying to skip the traffic like us. And this place did not used to look like that. So I don't know if the angle I got does it justice, but I think you got the other side of that. That was fucking crazy.
Yeah, he was
That
hanging off.
guy was about to fall off.
That guy was
Seriously.
hanging off the fucking cliff, dude.
Yeah.
Like 2 more inches and he would have fell back to his fucking death.
Yeah, he would have been done for. This shit is steep
Oh
too.
my God, dude.
I don't know if you can see, but that's what he would have fell down.
Yeah, dude. Fucking A.
Crazy.
I can't believe it. Well, he's trying to give us $100 and he tried to
Listen,
give
we'll
me
make
his
that-
pitch and just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm doing this all out of
Yeah.
love, you know? Love of the game.
Right.
But just remember that Dodge. The Chevy 4-banger pulled it right out. Oh my God, dude, I can't believe that. Honestly, I thought because his tires were practically bald. He had like street tires on, 20s, practically bald.
Well, like you said, he thought this was back in the day. This used to be like nothing.
Damn.
I'm trying to-
I'm happy I could help.
Right place at the right time.
Right place at the right
Yeah.
time.
We were just out taking pictures, looking at the place, and we saw that
God.
shit. That was crazy.
That was nuts. Insane.
Glad he's safe. Glad we got him out.
Yeah, yeah, so happy.
So,
Now we just need the good luck.
yeah. Now we need the good luck back to us.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a pretty cool trail, though. It's really pretty.
Very pretty. Very bumpy, but very pretty.
The fall colors. Oh.
I'm only here down to 20 psi too.
Yeah. Hold on to the book. It's important.
It's crazy, dude. Crazy eventful day here.
Mm-hmm.
If he's lucky, we said fuck it.
Finley is loving it. Look at him.
How's that?
He's having a great time right now. Pumping.
Thanks, Caitlin. Thank you. You're the best for filming. Thanks, baby. I appreciate you filming me through all my adventures.
Can you say it again?
I love you. Thank you so much for filming for me all the time.
What else?
Run on guess here.
Oh my god.
No, this was your idea, remember?
Your idea. Just hop in, but then takes off.
I didn't want you to jump
Your
off.
idea.
This was your idea.
Baby, look at him.
All right, let's keep
So
going.
special.
We're gonna make some dinner.
We beat that traffic.
We
Look at that. 2 hours later.
Oh my god, we both. Wait, we fucking chose this together. We made it
Traffic
through.
beat. You literally said it was either okay. This is the options you gave me, right? You said, okay, this is way faster. We could go this way, and the options were Schnebly Hill Road or literally cut everyone and go on the off ramp and then go back on the off ramp. That is so fucked up, and I would not do that. I'm not that person. So I was already about to get off, and you know what? That was all Curdy.
Dude, it was meant to be. We saved a life.
Yeah,
today.
we were right place at the right time. No one was gonna get that guy.
It wasn't much of a speed run that we were thinking. Schnebly Hill Road is beautiful and it's kind of fun, but it's a giant rock garden. Let's just say that. It's just a giant
big
rock garden.
city.
And I don't got no suspension on this bad boy yet. You know, Peak needs to hurry it up. I'm waiting. We're just, it's all bumpy.
Yeah, dude, this is so. Please, I can't do a praying hand, but please, I can't sit in the passenger seat any longer. I'm gonna die. This was horrible.
Yeah, this is we're both over it just because it's a giant rock garden, the whole trail.
But also, it's just not comfortable in the passenger seat when it's this fucking bumpy.
We're almost to the end. I should have took the Jeep line. Fuck.
Yeah, why did you do that?
Trying to keep it as smooth as possible.
Good lord.
Can't even see out the windshield.
Very beautiful though, I'll say that.
Very beautiful trail, but we finally made it out. And yeah.
Car troubles at the end there. Some guy had to set up.
Thank God.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Now we gotta get
That car troubles right there.
to the gas station.
That's wild.
Here, there.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Air back up around too.
Fuck. I don't even know if I want to. We should though.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Get the fuck out of here.
Look at that. That was rough.
That was insane. We saved a life, but Schnebly Hill Road is really bumpy, and that was, we wanted to be done. We were supposed to be home like in 30 minutes, but now we gotta drive from Sedona all the way back. Our little detour did not take...
I know it's fun, it's just like unplanned, like spur of the moment, but
yeah, now we gotta drive all the way home. We gotta air back up because the air compressor's broken. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.
like, comment,
Smash-
subscribe,
smash that.
smash that like button.
I love you guys.
Bye.
Peace.
Bye. 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 Bye.